Everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Passat SE 2.5 liter. Really nice little car. Has a 5-cylinder engine, only 100,000 miles on it. Just broke 100,000 about. I think it has 100,600 miles on it. Body's in pretty good shape. Interior's clean, in good shape. We just serviced it. It drives well, has good Michelin tires on it. Check out the inside for y'all. Definitely drives well. It comes with leather, Bluetooth. You can see the interior's clean. Has heated seats. We'll go ahead and start her up. It has 100,636 miles on it. All touchscreen. Something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thanks for checking out our video. If you have any repair needs for Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out this video.